(15-20) COVID patients and government hospital staff were rescued. They were shifted to other private hospitals immediately. There are about right now a minimum of 6 to 7 dead bodies are there inside. Some of them are critical in the other hospitals. Now we have to count how many diseases are there and all. It will be known in a short while.